The IST extension identifies a MakeIndex style file containing index formatting specifications for the MakeIndex program used with LaTeX document typesetting. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, configure, or troubleshoot these index style files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated IST file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. IST files are MakeIndex index style files used in LaTeX typesetting workflows to customize the formatting and sorting of document indexes. They define delimiters, preamble, and postamble, text heading commands and sorting rules for generating professional book-style indexes. IST files use plain text syntax with keyword value pairs, defining index formatting parameters including item delimiters, group headings, page number formatting, preamble and postamble strings, and letter heading. Specifications for the MakeIndex processing program. The anticipated software for loading IST is Adobe InDesign, created by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows provides minimal interpretation, so full access depends on page design applications. Your first step toward a working file, right-click the IST file and select Open With. If Adobe InDesign is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. Testing is key. If you cannot access the IST file, no problem. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your IST file from opening correctly. First, understanding the file. Open the IST file in any text editor to view or modify the index style definitions. Each line contains a keyword followed by its value in quotes. Common keywords include delim0, headings, flag, and preamble, which control how the final index appears in your LaTeX document. Next, applying the style. Run MakeIndex with the IST style file by using the command MakeIndex style file to IST file name .idx in your terminal. This processes the raw index entries from LaTeX compilation and generates a formatted IND file using your custom style specifications. Finally, debugging index errors. If MakeIndex produces errors, check the IST file for syntax issues such as missing quotes or invalid keywords. Review the MakeIndex log file for specific error line numbers. Compare your IST file against working examples from LaTeX documentation to identify formatting problems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the universal viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.